in the midnight hour. You found me. I was walking in the dark, no light to guide my way, broken dreams and empty nights. I had nothing left to say. My heart was full of pain, my soul was feeling cold, but your mercy came and saved me, more precious than gold. When I called your name, you didn't turn away. Your grace found me when I was lost and alone. You lifted me up, made my heart your home. Oh Jesus, you saved me. I'm not the same anymore. Now I'm singing your love forevermore. Through the storms and trials, you held my trembling hand. Even when I doubted, Lord, you still had a plan. Chains are broken now, I'm finally free. Your love has changed my life, now I can see. I was blind before, but now I see your light. Your grace found me when I was lost and alone. You lifted me up, made my heart your home. Oh Jesus, you saved me. I'm not the same anymore. Now I'm singing your love forevermore. Hallelujah, I'm redeemed by your blood. I am clean, no more fear, no more shame. I will always praise your name. Your grace, your grace, it found me. Oh Lord, I'm yours forever. Oh Lord, yeah. In the quiet of the night, I call your name. I was walking in the darkness, heart so heavy, full of pain. Every step felt like a burden, like I was drowning in the rain. but you found me in my broken. When I had no strength to stand, you whisper love so gently, held my soul in your hand. Your grace still holds me when I'm falling apart. Your love surrounds me, heals my wounded heart. Even in my weakness, Lord, I see your light. Your grace still holds me through the darkest night. I remember all my failures, all the times I went astray. Still you never turned away, Lord. You stayed right there with me. Like a river in the desert, you brought life into my soul. Now I'm singing hallelujah, 'cause your mercy made me whole. Your grace still holds me when I'm falling apart. Your love surrounds me, heals my wounded heart. Even in my weakness, Lord, I see your light. Your grace still holds me when the darkest night. Oh Lord, I surrender. Every fear, every pain, no more sorrow, no more shame. I am yours forever. Jesus is yours.